Welcome to Rhodes Accident Repair Group, based in the West Midlands. Please watch this short film to show you what we do.
You've had a bump and your car is damaged. It's okay, we're here to help. Our friendly team is on hand to receive your claim. They'll contact you and make arrangements to either pre-estimate or collect your car and organise a courtesy car if required. When your car comes into a centre like ours, we and your insurer have a duty of care to put your car back into a pre-accident condition. Our highly skilled technicians will meticulously follow the manufacturer's methods to restore your pride and joy back to its former glory. First, our trained estimators will assess the damage. Any parts will then be removed from the car before we make the necessary repairs. The next stage is the preparation for paint. We carefully apply the colour. The car is then refitted, polished, cleaned and inspected. These days we know we have a duty to the environment, and our sites are fitted out with the latest equipment to reduce waste. We use nitrogen instead of air to paint, which reduces waste by up to 30%. And we have a fully robotic heat system that only warms the repainted panels, not the whole car, greatly reducing gas usage. Throughout the repair process, our quality is checked at every stage. We want you to be delighted. Then, finally, a small gift from us to you, and your car will be re-delivered.
I hope you enjoyed the insight into what we do and the care we take. You're in good hands.